Hello guys, welcome to next video of this playlist Python for beginners. Currently in this playlist we have successfully completed NLP basics. Now from this video I would like to introduce another concept of Python which is OpenCV. This OpenCV library is specially designed to work on real-time camera feed and also on pictures and videos to extract objects from image, do motion tracking, face recognition, face authentication. So from this video, we will be devoting some lectures to learn about OpenCV and how we can use it. So without wasting any time, let's start by moving towards the destination folder. And as you can see, there are three files available. So first is description, which contains the description of this video, which is available in the description. This is the main hello.py file and this is the image. Using OpenCV, we will be opening this image. For that, let's open this folder in VS Code. So as you can see, the folder is opening in VS Code and the code of hello.py file is in front of you. Now let's understand the code line by line. So the first is title, the second command is to import the OpenCV library, and command to install the library is pip install OpenCV Python. And after that I have simply imported the OpenCV library using import cv2. So OpenCV Python is imported using this word which is cv2. After that, we have to load the image in our program. So for that, I have simply created a variable which is image path and passed the path of that image. Currently, the image is in same folder, so I have directly written the name of the file. After that, we will give this image to OpenCV to read. For that, there is a simple command which is cv2.imread. This imread method is simply used to read the data or read the image and store it in image variable. And this line is resizing the image, which I will tell you in next part. So let's ignore this single line for right now and let's move ahead. Now next is if image is none, which means there was some problem while loading image. Then this message will get printed that error unable to load image from this part. And if everything goes fine, it will simply show the image in OpenCV window. The title of the OpenCV window will be Hello OpenCV. I will show you this right now. So I will simply open terminal here and simply type Python and the name of the file which is Hello World. So this is the image of that panda. So this is this image of same size as you can see. Now let's move to the skip part of the code, which is this big image. So basically what I have done is that I have simply resized the image to its double. Initially the size of the image was, I will show you right now. So the size of image is, let's see details, it is 259 to 194. So I want to double the size of image. So I have simply added here double numbers or the double width and height of the image, which is 518 and 388. And after that I have stored the resized image in new variable. I can show the image right now using this command which is cv2.imshow. So this imshow method simply plays an important role to show the image in OpenCV window, and the title of the OpenCV window will be Hello OpenCV Big. Now this time two OpenCV windows are open, so we will get two OpenCV windows. So I will simply save the program and run the program once again. So this is the original image and this is the resized image. And as you can see, the image has become a blur because we have increased the pixels. So that was about resizing the image. And moving to the last part of program is that wait for key event and then close the window. So cv2.wait is, so this simply means that wait for the user to click this close button. Once the user click close button, then cv2.destroy method will get called, which will simply tell the destroy window. So the windows that are open will simply get destroyed. So this was all about basic Hello World program. Here comes the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video.